Go, Rico.
Get it! Right here. Oh.
Nice, Kelly. Nice save.
We almost had our first goal in the tournament.
Almost. Oh, get it, Rico.
The cheese grinders.
You guys are losing to the cheese grinders. You can zoom in on the score.
Never mind, no 7.
He just about biffed it.
Rico, get up there.
7.
Man, that was small. Come on, Salmon.
Third grade.
Yeah, I got on camera. I think.
Wolf, what the goal?
Wolf hammered that. Wow.
That means the Underdawgz are gonna be out.
No, we're not.
You should probably put Nate in.
Yeah.
We'll be back. Don't worry.
Nate, you want to go in?
Sure.
Yeah, Nate.
No, we better.
We got a substitute.
Yeah, substitute.
Get out.
And Hone or
Alright.
Jay Colbert.
We're good.
I had the number. I had to show the number.
How is it out there?
Why'd you put Nate in? You guys are going to lose.
No!
Why did he put it in?
Yeah,
I was
why
gonna
you
send. We're gonna send.
Nate wanted to
We're
play.
gonna send to Howell.
Let's go, Nate.
I think I might have missed your header, but
You missed my header?
I don't know. Maybe.
How's gonna hear all our inappropriate language? Who cares?
Get up on him! Nate, get up! Nate, go take it from him! Sub! You're out!
No, I'm not out. You can't even cover anyone, Nate.
You're out!
Nate, how do you feel about being out?
They're jealous because I'm good. Dylan. They're jealous because I'm good.
Here's your interview.
Alright.
How's it feel to be the best player on the Underdawgz?
It's a lot of stress, you know. Everybody else sucks and carry a lot of weight. It's really bad.
How's your back feel from carrying the team?
It hurts a lot.
Yeah.
A
That'll
lot of
happen.
lower back pains. Can never play in football games because my back hurts.
That makes sense.
I know. Is there any other questions you want to ask me?
No, not right now. Maybe at halftime.
How's Sticky Bone while there?
There's a goalie down there, Noah Record. He sucks too. And then that guy right there, he sucks too. His name's Colin Colbert.
Cover me.
And they're losing 2-1.
Out.
Man, like, they're losing 2-1. Like, how is that possible? His face hurts.
That's close.
I think we should sub Alex out. He sucks.
Nate, get in there for Scotty. You're the best team player. Get
Well,
in
I
there.
get in there and I get subbed out right away.
Get in there for him. Go.
You didn't cover anyone.
Go. Go play.
Yeah, I'm covering the
Go.
back.
I'm your coach. Get in there. You have to.
I'm
Over.
covering the back area. Colin, why aren't you blocking anybody?
What?
Why aren't you covering anybody? Shut up, goalie.
You want to play?
Yeah,
Oh!
fight.
No!
Oh! It could be on the line. Oh, that's out. The ball could be on the line.
Bomb it!
Oh!
Oh, cheese grinder with the score.
Hey! There's a goal!
You freaking kicked me.
Hit it!
Shoot!
Oh!
The Underdawgz may be out right away.
The cheese grinders are up 3-1 on the under.
I still think we should sub. I think we should still sub Scotty out.
Do it.
Scotty, you're out. Yeah, he sucks.
All right, get in there. You're up. You're in, Nate. Get in.
He's definitely out. Oh, we got a sub here.
Oh, you're right. How are you that tired? He's so fast.
Hey, he's going to throw it in.
Throw it at you. Everyone take their spot over here. Run towards
what?
Stand over there. Get you back.
Just go through the deck. And then ask my mom.
You're so bad.
What? Yeah, she's in there.
That's what you're doing. Put it in there. Got it. Come on. Get back. Don't let him out of your sight. Boom it. Don't let him move it. Hey, I thought he can't catch it like that. Isn't that a rule?
No, we just tricked you. You're an idiot.
I think Nate's gonna get subbed back out here in a little bit.
Guys, I'm a good ref.
You're a pretty good ref.
Oh, dirt!
Come on, Dirt.
Nice!
He's
Nate, you're out!
I fucking quit. Fuck this. I quit. I quit. I retire.
Sweet corner.
Do you join the team again?
I don't know. I'll think about it. I need a shot of whiskey first. Don't you?
Yeah.
You know you want a shot of whiskey? Yes, sir. Alright, you have to supply it though.
Why don't you throw it?
Oh. So the first.
How do you feel about your team sucking?
I don't know. I'm baffled right now. Like,
Sam, how much time's left?
they're losing to the suckiest team out there. Anyways, I don't know. I'm really baffled. Like, there could be a good possibility that we're gonna go 0-2 and be eliminated from the tournament. Yeah, we're fucking dead. Nice going, fucking goalie.
You want to get in here?
Yeah.
No.
You do a whole lot better than I'll do a whole lot better than you would.
I need a hat trick.
Pile of shit.
You're distracted. Oh,
Yeah, I distracted you. Yeah, we're definitely going 0-2.
I got yellow carded. I don't even know what that means. Somebody go get the ball. Did you get it kicked out of the game of soccer?
Yeah.
Hey, how you feel?
What's the
I don't
red
even know
card?
what a yellow card is.
What's the red and the yellow card?
Yellow card is a warning. If you get 2 yellow cards, it's a red card. You get kicked out.
Who's the ref?
No, I'm kicking.
Who's the ref?
Grab
Yep.
all the time. No, I got a kick. Right here.
Who got yellow card? Tell him.
Half time.
Hey, start the clock. Start the clock.
Bomb it.
Your only job. Start it.
Why did you say that? I saw a push. It's a yellow card or name.
How does a quadruple elimination work?
Which one was my water?
I don't know.
You know how quadruple elimination works?
Nope.
Drive me, Rico.
Just do like a double elimination times 2.
How the fuck does that work? Okay, so I'll probably have to start way the fuck away.
No, start up way up top, like way over here.
Oh yeah.
Here, Dirk records.
What?
I don't want to record anymore.
I told you a rep.
What?
I was like, River won't be alive, so what happened on Sunday? Thanks for letting me know. I've been watching starting soon for an hour, LOL.
She's watching?
She was trying to. Hallie, come record.
Stop!
So, I'm confused. Why are these guys playing even?
They played the loser. They played the loser.
Alright.
I'm just too damn good. Oh, here we go. Oh!
Underdawgz score again.
Score again.
It's recording right now, so. Here.
Am I right? I'm wrong.
Why do we have to record?
Okay, we're definitely coming back. I
How do you
can tell.
spell eliminating?
7! 7! 7!
What do we play first? Underdawgz?
7! No, be going for it!
This iPad sucks.
Well,
Oh! Oh no!
you're not gonna do it. Oh,
Do it!
I was recording the ball.
no, I need a break.
No. I'm good.
Not that tired.
Technically, they shouldn't have played.
I'm good enough for right now. Roll it!
What's the other team?
FYI, I have a hat trick right now. Means I
You just put CG probably. For next one, the next.
What a pass! Boom! You got
I just put UD for Underdawgz.
DFC.
Kellen.
Oh, well, almost broke the leg. Good. Nope, sorry.
I'm bored.
So we don't know who won yet.
Oh shit.
ready to go.
Sorry.
Better not let him take it right there. No!
I'll just do that for now. Shit. Oh!
Yeah, Rico! Grab it again!
The Underdawgz are tied it up against the cheese grinder.
Did you say down a shot?
Oh, Rico!
That was dirty go.
Hey, get in there.
Oh no, I don't want to get in.
Oh, easy.
Not a yellow card! How's that not a yellow card?
Oh, yellow card.
Go! Penalty shot! Get him out of here! Penalty shot!
Kicked him right in the ribs.
Hey, does Rico get a penalty shot?
Penalty shot.
No, at the time to run out.
He gets a
They're
free
still
kick.
tied. He gets 4 penalty shots.
Free kick.
Stay back there, we gotta build a wall.
Where it happened, so bring it up farther. Right there, Rico.
Can I kick it?
No, Rico has to.
No, just pass it to Kelly.
You can shoot or you can pass to Kellen. You can do whatever you want.
Oh!
Grab it!
Promise you won't kick.
Yes!
Oh. Another yellow card and Braden's out for the tourney. Or just this game, I mean.
And next game.
I thought you stabbed one of my ribs.
Good!
Oh!
The Underdawgz come up on the cheese
Underdawgz are winning!
Underdawgz 5.
Noah.
That's a quad elimination.